Malala accompanied other hikers as he embarked on a 4-day climbing expedition of Mount Kenya. The climb, which is part of the government's strategy to raise awareness of the mountain as a key tourist destination in Africa, will also raise funds towards improving the visitor experience at the facility. The Ministry of Tourism and Wildlife will also use the expedition to promote hiking and mountaineering as a key product for the growing domestic and international outdoor and adventure tourism.
We now have pledges and funds that have been pledged of approximately 10 million Kenya shillings. This money will be specifically for the ecosystem and conservation for Mount Kenya National Park, including improving the experiences of customers in this area, of building toilets, of marking the tracks, as well as any facility that is required. This will be under the supervision of the Director General and a small team from this area, so that these things are being done immediately. One of our new products in the post-pandemic strategy is mountaineering, or a product to extreme sports, or coming and climbing Mount Kenya. So this is very important for us to do here today. On Friday the 20th, we will launch our new vision and strategy post the pandemic. As I said, during the pandemic, the industry suffered, but now we are anticipating 2022 revenues of government will surpass the revenues of government of 2019. And that is out of the support of domestic tourism. So I want to appreciate domestic tourism, both residents and Kenyans who have been traveling all over the country and supporting